There are times in your grading when you might like to drop a certain number of the lowest scores for a type of assessment or keep a number of the highest scores when assessing students. Moodle allows you to do both of those things in the Moodle Gradebook. Let's say, for instance, you're giving a number of quizzes during a semester and you'd like to drop the lowest two scores. Here's how to do that in the Moodle Gradebook. First, you'd navigate into Moodle and then to your course. And then in the course menu, you'd choose the grades option. Once in the grading area, you'd choose the grader report dropdown and the gradebook setup option. In order to keep or drop grades in Moodle, you have to have your assessments in categories. If you're not sure how to do that, you can check out our knowledge base article on creating categories and putting things in them. In this case, I've got my quizzes category and my quizzes put in it. Once I have that established, I can go to the three horizontal dots next to that category title and click that and choose Edit Category. I'll see the options both for keeping high grades and dropping low grades. In this case, I want to drop the lowest two grades. So I will edit that value to a 2, and then I will click Save. And that is how you drop a certain number of scores in the Moodle Gradebook. But let's say, on the other hand, I have a situation where I'd like to keep a certain number of the highest grades. Maybe I have reading reflections, and I've assigned 8 reflections, but I only need the students to do 5 of them. Well, if a student does more than 5, I'd like to make sure that the gradebook only keeps the highest 5 scores of the number that they did. Here's how you do that. Again, I'm in my course, and I click on the grades option from the course menu. Again, I click the grader report drop-down menu and choose gradebook setup. In this case, I'm going down to my reflections category, and again, finding those 3 horizontal dots next to the title of my category and choosing Edit Category. Again, I see both the option to keep a certain number of the highest or drop a certain number of the lowest. In this case, I want to keep the highest 5, so I'll edit that number and I'll click Save. And that is how you either drop lowest scores or keep the highest scores in the Moodle Gradebook.